This is a 2014 Dodge Caravan. What I've done here is I've installed a Kenwood receiver. It's a single DIN receiver, and to get the single DIN receiver into this space, I decided to have a piece of acrylic laser cut. This is a Kenwood KMM-BT522HD receiver. I got this receiver because I'm attracted to the sound quality of the Qualcomm aptX Bluetooth and the digital radio. The stock receiver, OEM receiver, the receiver that came with the van, doesn't have those things. Nor does it have the ability to plug in a thumb drive to play music off a thumb drive. Okay, let's see inside. This is the original bezel. Front panel, back mounting panel. The back mounting panel was needed so that it can be fastened to the chassis at these holes here. Okay, so back here is a USB port, which I'm not using at the moment. An antenna adapter, which I got off of AliExpress, so I can connect from the Kenwood receiver to the Dodge Caravan antenna connector. The Dodge Caravan, the 2014 Dodge Caravan doesn't have switched power on this harness. Switched power is needed to turn this radio on and off. So I found a circuit on eBay, not really meant for this application. Switching board. This board right here makes switched power by sensing if the CAN bus is active. So it does monitor the voltage on the CAN bus. When the CAN bus comes alive, it switches power to the receiver and the receiver turns on. This wire right here is the microphone wire, which is above my head in the van for hands-free conversations with my cell phone. For demonstration purposes, I'm not going to put the screws on. My intention is to put a magnetic mount right here, and that'll hold my cell phone right about here. It's a 7-inch cell phone.
Have a little less lonely walk around in the world today. Oh, you don't have to me. I'm a little less lonely walking around in the world today. No, you don't have me.
Right now it is 4 at the airport, 4 in the valley, and in downtown Vancouver it's partly cloudy and 2.
We are the only Vancouver radio station with traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the ones and traffic alerts to get you there on time. News 11:30 times 7.